Hey, Jason here, and this is my first Monday of summer break. I got up, made some coffee in my mocha pot, plus spinach, oatmeal, and eggs, and ate said breakfast. After that, I headed downstairs to start a load of laundry, and surprisingly, instead of the usual scroll TikTok for the duration of the cycle, cleaned my room, including wiping down all surfaces and generally straightening things. After that, I folded the laundry on a freshly cleaned desk and started to diffuse some lavender. I went to the gym as I have no excuse not to work out regularly with classes being done, and 1 hour later, I popped some chicken I made into the microwave and topped it with cilantro and lime juice. Forgot to make rice today. Then I filmed a quick unboxing of a new phone I'm beginning the review process of, and headed out to grab more footage for my upcoming full review video. In the 2 hours or so I filmed, I'd say I got about a dozen good shots for the video, plus some pictures I snapped because I thought the light was kinda cool. And then I came back for dinner with my main squeeze. As the sun set, I worked on scripts for new videos for a bit, then went to bed.